Sagittarius, hello and welcome to Gina Moon. This is your weekly tarot reading starting this new week of January the 8th up until January the 15th. Without further ado, let's jump right into your reading. Remember that this is a general reading, so take it as it resonates. Could be you towards somebody or somebody here towards you. So if you feel the need to reverse the roles, then go ahead and do so. And you are starting with the dominant energy of the drum roll. And let's see what you have here. There is a message here for you, and it says opportunity, and there is a snake, okay, wrapped around a tree. So let's see what this says for you. Opportunity. You are on the right track. It is an opportune time. You are a wise soul and a practical strategist. Know your motives and anticipate the successful outcome before you make your move. Keep it cool. Okay, so I do see that, like I said, there is going to be an opportunity coming towards you. And it's very interesting because, you know, it's either saying that you are like the snake here. There's a snake wrapped around that tree. And, you know, there's like that snake waiting for the right time, right? To really kind of strike, okay? To go after the food that the snake is looking for, but it can also be vice versa, right? So perhaps, you know, you might be afraid that this snake looks scary, but you never know. Maybe it's trying to befriend you, right? So because it says here opportunity, that means that it's something positive. So even if you were kind of thinking, am I on the right track? Am I doing the right thing? Am I going the right direction? Yes, you are. This is confirming you are actually on the right track, okay? It's an opportune time. And so use your wisdom, right? Use your strategy, right? That kind of energy that you kind of innately have of being a strategist, and know your motives, meaning know why you're doing what you're doing and anticipate your next move ahead of the game, right? So be ahead of the game, be ahead of whatever or whoever is out there, okay? In order to have a successful outcome. And also it says here, anticipate the successful outcome before you take action, before you make your move. You have to envision your successful outcome before you go out there. You put yourself out there. Visualize yourself as succeeding, right? What would be the final result, right? Envision that. Really take that in and keep it cool. Try to keep yourself calm, cool, collected, okay? Again, you are on the right track. Opportunity. Let's put this one on the side and see what this is all about. It's a very interesting energy that you have there as your dominant energy. So let's see what this is all about, okay? Even though we do know it's an opportunity right on the horizon for you. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and spread out all of these energies, and then I'm going to clarify for you each and every position. So for some of you guys, you might be dealing with the sign of Scorpio. I see also the sign of Aquarius, Leo, sign of Cancer, a lot of signs jumping out, Gemini as well at the bottom here, Capricorn, okay, whatever sign this is, the devil reverse. Look at that. You're already cutting off toxicity. So if you fear, okay, it's telling you have no fear, okay, kind of lower your guard, okay, because I do see that you have already cut off something toxic, or if you kind of were perceiving someone or something as toxic, I feel that this person is not in that energy anymore, or this situation is not toxic anymore. Something here is coming to an end. Something toxic is coming to an end. Something uncomfortable is coming to an end, whether it was a bond, a situation here that you were kind of feeling, you know, uneasy about, but I see that it's coming to an end, okay? There's no more toxic energy there. Now, the situation has to do with an ending. Yeah, so, you know, after an ending, there's always on the other side a new beginning. Something here that has ended, is ending, is coming to an end. Something here that is toxic or that wasn't really working out in your favor, okay? With the star here, this is in your challenged position. You might find it challenging to heal from perhaps the trauma. You might find it difficult to heal from what you've been through, right? Because again, when this devil, okay, was not in reverse, that means that at some point you experienced a lot of trauma, perhaps a lot of, uncomfortable energy. But now that it's in the reverse, yeah, you might know that it's already over, or you might anticipate that, but it may not be as easy to heal from it. Okay, so start the healing, start to really understand that there is light being shed at the end of the tunnel. Something here is already coming to an end that you were not feeling comfortable within. Okay, now here with the Two of Cups, yeah, so I see that you want a soulmate union. You're focused on a soulmate connection. You want to be kind to this person. You want this person to be kind to you, and or you're kind of visualizing attracting a brand new soulmate for some of you guys. Okay, that's what you desire. Here with the Sun reverse, I do see that the root of the issue was something that was lacking information. Because something lacked information, you didn't really know why this was happening, why they were doing what they were doing. You know, it was just like a lack of information. It was making somebody feel uneasy. So that was the root of the issue, or is the root of the issue. The fact that still information needs to come to the light, and it was making you feel a little bit sad, gloomy, depressed, and or just kind of confused. Okay, now I do see that in the recent past there was some kind of unfinished business. In the recent past, you thought that you had closed out a cycle, it had ended, but still there was still loose ends that were left behind untied. So there was still kind of some kind of loose ends that perhaps you needed to clarify, or you wanted this person to clarify with you. Coming towards you in your opportunity and in the near future, you have here the Page of Cups. Whether it's a person here apologizing, you're going to get an offer, a gesture of love, or an apology. For others of you guys, it's a brand new person. You're going to meet a brand new person who is offering you something, whether they're offering you an opportunity to make more money, love, whether it's a friendship, a bond, something here that is very genuine and special. For others of you guys, it could be an apology, but there's somebody here coming in who has romantic feelings for you. And if this is not romantic related, they want to offer you an opportunity in some kind of way, shape, or form. Okay, whether it's career related, money related, love related, whatever this is. You see here also the Knight of Swords. So this is in your subconscious thoughts. I see that you're determined. You're like, nope, I'm not going to let this, impede my way forward. You are very determined to speak the truth, to get to the bottom of this. And I feel like your determination is what's driving you forward. Okay, so there's that kind of, spirit of kind of, determination, okay, coming from you. Now with the Chariot here, this is how one person sees the other. Yeah, so I feel like this, person, people, situation, I feel like they kind of perceive you as very much so courageous. Like they see you as having the courage to do what you say you're going to do, to really not back down, okay? They see you as very confident, very courageous, as, you're ready to set forth and win the war, as they say, right? I see here that there's also some kind of confrontation. Somebody here wants to confront you, or you're ready to confront them about something. And so that's how they see you, very confrontational, right? Very kind of like outspoken, okay? Not staying quiet about the situation. Your action advice is to make some kind of a decision, okay? Stop overthinking it, stop overanalyzing the situation, and make a final decision so that you can experience a peace of mind. Okay, now if you do that, you will come across this Lovers. Okay, this is what you will create. The final outcome is the Lovers here. You will be able to join forces either with a loved one, with a lover, with a brand new person here. You two belong together. You and this person belong together as one, whether it's in a career partnership, friendship, love connection, family related, whatever this is. But the universal forces are bringing you and this other person together, okay? And if this is not a person, it could be an idea, it could be a place, it could be a situation that is meant to be for you. But again, it's going to require for you to make a decision about this relationship or this situation, okay? Some kind of a very drastic decision here. Now let's go ahead and clarify why opportunity is here for you. Why is opportunity here as your dominant energy? Why is opportunity here as your dominant energy? So here you have the Eight of Swords, the Seven of Wands, the High Priestess, as well as the Ten of Wands. Yeah, so let go of any burdens, any stress, any baggage that you might be carrying from the past or from trauma or perhaps, from the experience itself. You have to release what no longer serves you, and also disconnect from people, situations, circumstances that are just draining your energy, okay? I'm also sensing that the reason why this is advising you to do that is because you're going to get an opportunity, okay? And based on this opportunity, you don't want to carry all that baggage with you. I do see that this is also related to the fact that you need to not feel like a victim. This is telling you it's safe for you to lower your defenses, lower your guard, because this opportunity may not be looking very appealing on the outside. It's not going to come in with a little bow, where you can see that it's a gift and an opportunity. It's not going to come in with glitter and glamour. No, it may not look very glamorous at first, but just know that this is an opportunity for you. And the way that you will know is if you release yourself from feeling like a victim, right? From, again, that past trauma, that kind of thing. Liberate yourself. These are just fears that are taking over your mind, taking over your energy. And once you release those fears, you're going to be able to stand firm in your conviction. Don't give up until you get to where you want to be. Don't give in until you get to what you want, okay, to achieve. I also see that this is telling you use your intuition in order to guide your way forward towards this opportunity. Use your intuition to really feel, sense things, people, situations around you, okay, before you make your move. Just like, again, I told you the image of this snake, right? It's kind of like just waiting there for the prey, right? And it's not taking action right away, even though it sees the prey. It's visualizing, okay, this is how I envision, the final outcome to be, the achievement, right? And so try to do that instead of just jumping in, okay? Now we're going to be going into the extended reading to see who this other person is that you are dealing with, because I do see that there is a lovers here. It's a beautiful bond, an opportunity to really join forces, join kind of together, okay? Come together as one, that type of vibe. Could also be that for others of you guys, you are ending one connection, you're starting a brand new one. But again, we're going to be going into the extended reading to see who this other person is, what their feelings, thoughts, emotions are for you, their next moves and actions towards you, how the situation is all going to turn out and unfold for you, what is going to be the final result, and we will end the reading with any messages from spirits. If you want to check out the link to the extended, it's down in the description box below. In the extended reading, I go into the other person's subconsciousness, their deeper thoughts about you, their deeper feelings for you, their next actions, moves, and more. And thank you all so much for all of your positive feedback for the extended reading. I am so glad that you guys are loving the extended reading so much. So again, if you want to check out the link to the extended, the link is down in the description box below. And if you would like a psychic reading, you can check out the link to Psychic Source that is down in the description box below. I have partnered with Psychic Source so that you can receive 10 minutes for only $10 and an additional 3 minutes for free. Choose any psychic of your choice, chat with them online via my direct link that is down in the description box below, or you can also call them. The number will be shown when you click on the description link that is down below. And use my special code 26489 when you call them or when you chat with them. Again, the direct link to Psychic Source is down in the description box below.